Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you the book list given by KANISHAK KATARIA. As you all know that KANISHAK KATARIA is all India rank 1, means he is a topper in UPSC CSC 2018. So this book list officially given by him on a Telegram channel. So I am sharing this book list with all of you. So starting from the approach which is given by him, do not chase reading material, biggest blunder you can commit. Keep limited sources which you can revise. So we have to keep the sources limited which we can revise. Revise is the key. Revise one book 10 times instead of reading 10 books once. He has said that revision is the most important thing in the preparation of UPSC. Use internet constructively to fill any gaps. Most important is to stay confident in the material which you have read. Do not get perturbed by what others say or read. Now we will come to the point that what note making and revision skills did he use. So he said that can be done offline or online or mix as per your convenience, and do not try to make the perfect notes. Do what makes sense to you unless you want to sell all the notes later. It is advisable to switch to written notes after prelims. It will help you in writing practice. Writing or typing by oneself is very important. It is active learning and information gets registered in the brain for longer. It helps in easy retrieval later. Try to have short notes ready just before mains for LMR, last minute revision. Short notes should only contain keywords which will help in faster revision. Time taken to revise should be reduced with each successive iteration. Reverse learning from test series solution is also crucial. Update the notes if you encounter something new or interesting. So now we will come to the main part of this video, the book list given by him. So moving on to GS, for history and for subtopic art and culture, he used only class note plus test series learning, and he didn't have enough time to focus on it. He said that he didn't had any time to focus on it. And for modern India, he used NCRT. He used old NCRT's Spectrum and class note. Class notes refers here to the Wajiram class notes, and for word class notes NCRT 9th and 10th, few topics from Vision supplementary material, post independence from class notes plus 12th polity NCRT. For society class notes, Sociology NCRT 12th, Vision Mains 365. Geography NCRT 11th and 12th class notes. For physical geography, Mrunal Rashtanil slides. Resources distribution, Mrunal slides, no videos, plus Anudip sir's notes only for filling gaps. PMFIAS India, WRIS and other internet sources for specific readings. Moving on to GS2, his suggestions for polity were as follows: NCRT 11 and class notes means Wajiram class notes, Lakshmikant Vision Mains 365. For governance topic, class notes Wajiram material, only few topics, test series reverse learning. For social justice, he used Vision Mains 365, international relations class notes and newspaper, selected regions from Mains 365. For GS3, for economics, he used macroeconomics 12th NCRT class notes, Sriram booklet, not end to end, Mains 365, internet sources like Arthpedia, Vikaspedia, etc. For agriculture, only class notes plus internet reference. For environment, biology 12th NCRT, last 4 chapters, Mains 365. Specific topics from Shankar, rest from internet. And for science and technology, class notes Mains 365. For security topic, he used class notes Mains 65. Internal security by Ashok Kumar IPS limited reading. And for disaster management, he used class notes, Vision supplementary material, test series, reverse learning. For GS4, he used class notes, filling gaps from Wajiram Yellow Book, all previous UPSC case studies, point-wise coverage of each syllabus keywords, test series, reverse learning. So here I have noted something here, that all class notes refer to Wajiram class note made by self, that the Wajiram class notes were made by himself. Test series, the reverse learning refers to vision mains test series. So he has also focused on the topic that how to read NCRTs. So I will show you one by one. Cover depending on availability of time and confidence in the subject. Lower classes can be skipped if you can understand from senior class book directly. Few NCRTs are specifically recommended. He has recommended some few NCRTs specifically, so that are as follows. For geography 11th and 12th, don't need to refer any other book. For polity 11th, Indian Constitution at Work, macroeconomics 12th class, and sociology 12th class. Other NCRTs can be done as per convenience. Try to have short summaries or notes ready for each chapter instead of going through the whole book again while revising. So this is for the today's video. I hope you will understand all the book list and note it down. So friends, I make content related to Mpsc and UPSC exams and also other competitive exam. So please be a part of this family and subscribe to my channel.